Manchester United have been tipped to sign Diogo Costa to replace David De Gea, despite the Portugal star recently signing a new contract with FC Porto. Costa signed an extension that takes his deal to 2027 prior to the FIFA World Cup, and in doing so raised his minimum fee release clause from €60 million to €75 million. But speaking to Radio Renazenca, former Porto player Domingos Paciencia said that a move to a top European club remains a strong possibility. Paciencia backed the 23-year-old to realize his potential to become one of the world's finest goalkeepers in spite of a relatively disappointing World Cup campaign with the Selecao. He starts to matter, depending on the number of games he plays. We see him getting better, more capable, and like a goalkeeper who will be the number one at the national team and at FC Porto for many years to come. And the former striker does not believe that Costa's release clause will provide much of a stumbling block at all. Nowadays, it's not difficult to beat that clause, and as such, it could happen with Diogo Costa, because anyone who is attentive to football knows that he is one of the best in the world. Manchester United have been linked with a suite of goalkeepers as possible replacements for David De Gea. The Spaniard is out of contract at the end of the current season, and while the Red Devils do have an option to extend his deal by a further 12 months, they are unlikely to exercise that clause. Instead, negotiations are underway to reduce De Gea's £375,000 a week salary, and while those talks are ongoing, the club are unlikely to pursue a goalkeeper at the price Diogo Costa would come at. So discussing with De Gea Paul through that may well change. Ten Hag's attempt to modernize United's game with a goalkeeper more comfortable in possession would, in such a case, make Costa a prime candidate for an Old Trafford switch.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.